February 26, 2023, how quirky German debt is winning followers abroad. When a beloved local product ramps up production, there's always a question of whether it can gain new fans without losing what made it special. Something similar has been happening with a German credit instrument known as Schuldschein, until recent years a hidden corner of the European debt market. As the region confronts Russia's war in Ukraine and inflation, the Schuldschein market has been resilient, posting a record year in 2022 and a strong start to 2023.